What is up, people? Today we are going to be making a scratch game where I can only use the scratch cat, so I can rip them up, tear them apart, delete stuff, but I can't add anything, so I can't do any of my own drawing, so we're just going to have to morph him into some pretty weird things. Stick around if you guys want to see what's happening. We're going to be making an entire game out of this. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so we're going to open up Chrome, go to the big scratch. Got some stuff going on. We're just going to ignore all that. We're going to create a new project, and we're going to make Scratch Cat something absolutely legendary. First of all, we're going to rename this project, which has a very nice number. Alright, that looks kind of creepy, actually. So this is going to be our player, and our backdrop, I can't just draw a rectangle, because I have to use the Scratch Cat. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag Scratch Cat. We're going to delete everything except his head. And then we're going to make his head really big. And then now I said I can modify stuff, all right? All right, so don't say I'm cheating, all right? We got grass. Hold up. You know, this guy looks kind of stupid. And there we go. We got a little Scratch Cat. He can't move around, but I'm going to code some movement real quick, so I'll be with y'all in just a second. Alright, if everything goes according to plan, this guy will start moving. And now, if we move around, look at him, he moves around. Okay, so hold on, we're gonna make the background look good now. And I can't draw grass, because I have to use scratchy, whatever his name is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually grab his head.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this like dark green part over here. And then we're gonna like flip it. I mean this dark green part over here, with this little bump.
Alright, so we got a fresh looking backdrop. Keep in mind, this is all made out of Scratch Cats, as y'all can see over here. So before we add the enemies, that actually reminds me, we can't have any enemies if we can't defend ourselves. So I'm gonna make not a gun. We're gonna call this a projectile weapon. It's a gun. Like, I don't know how to draw a gun. Grab his tail, and we're gonna flip it around. That is a terrible looking gun, bro. What the hell is this? Can I mold this into a good looking gun? Alright, we got ourselves a little pistol. Hold on, I gotta clean this up a little bit. Got ourselves a little pistol. I'm actually going to make the handle brown. Why is this art better than my normal game, dude? Look at this. Alright, we back, and we got a little bullet action going. So now Mr. Scratchy can shoot. And keep in mind, all of this is made with, I keep saying that, but like, this is kind of crazy. All of this is made out of this default Scratch character. So we're going to make a main menu. And the problem with making a main menu is that for the title, I can't type text. So I got to make the letters, I gotta like hand carve them out of the Scratch Cat, which I can't do that. Okay, this M looks kind of goofy, but this is gonna be our title for the game, Scratch Cat game. Alright, we got ourselves a little title. So we got a little Scratchy in the corner. You can move around, you can shoot stuff. I think we're making great progress, so yeah, let's continue on. Dude, I'm telling you, Scratch Cat is like, look at this. Take a look at this, alright? And then take a look at that. Like, tell me what's different, bro. Like, even the nose shape is the same. I'm telling you, Scratch Cat is a fox, bro. What animal should we go with? Hold on, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for an animal. Give me an easy animal to draw. What the hell is a chubby bird? I'm gonna draw a little cutie patootie bird. Oh, no, I know what we should do. We should draw a chicken. That's what we should do. All right. We got our new animal in mind, so we're going to draw him real quick. We're going to delete this. All right, we got Mr. Chicken. This is a good chicken, right? I mean, I'd say this chicken's pretty good. I like it. I'm not really vibing with this fox, though. I mean, this guy just looks like a rip-off cat. You know what I'm saying? So let's find another easy animal to draw. A pig. Okay, that's a good idea. Hold on. Gemini actually gave me a good idea. That looks like a pig's tail, right? Right? I'm telling you, this is gonna be the best pig you've ever seen in your entire life. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This looks terrible. I'm gonna keep it in the game though. So now I'm gonna code the actual physics for these guys, and I'll talk to you guys then. Alright, now it should be fixed. So we go around, yep, we've got a Scratch Cat, and look at that, we have enemies. And then if we shoot the enemies, they die. And yeah, this is looking pretty nice. Honestly, I'd play this game. All right, so if we play the game now, we got the menu screen, we got all the basic stuff, but now these guys have health, so they flash dark, and then on the third hit, they die. So the game's not as easy anymore. Okay, so we ran into our first problem. See, the problem I have with the enemies right now is that they kind of stack over each other. So like if I like group them up, they get stuck like that. And that way, we don't want that in our game, because that just looks stupid. Okay, I'm gonna go eat some dinner, because this is just... I'm done, bro. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. See y'all after dinner.
6 months later.
Alright, people, we are back. It's been like 2 days, because I ate dinner, and then I decided not to do anything, because I'm a lazy bum. But after some work, after all this stuff, which it's not really that much, but after all that, we now have enemies that collide with each other. So if we go ahead and just wait, you can see now they just kind of like, they don't stack, they just kind of bump into each other, and life's good. What I'll do next is add health, add score, and then I'll add the rest of the enemies, and we will be done. Alright, now lives should work, so we can kill this guy, and now we have 1 score. And if I do this, take damage, another one take damage, and if we get this one, and the game's over. There's still a dude there, but we'll take care of that later. Alright, we got the little chicken guys, and they do move a little bit faster. I think I might make them even faster than the evil cats, and if we kill them, they only take 2 shots to kill. So yeah, we got a little chicken action going. But now, for what I was gonna show you guys. What the pig is gonna do is that it's gonna move a little bit slower, it's gonna have a lot of health, but it's gonna be like a tank because it's gonna shoot something particularly interesting. Now I gotta figure out how to draw this. What we're gonna do is we gotta find this will work, alright. I want y'all to guess what I'm drawing, alright, as I'm making it. Yeah, this looks better than if I drew it freehand. What is this? I think that's probably one of the best poop emojis I've ever drawn. Okay, so we have the evil cat, we have the chicken, and then we got the pig, which glows, and then it works. Look at that. And then do I take damage? I do take damage. And I can shoot them as well, I believe. Yep, I can shoot and I'm dead. Alright guys, we are done with the game. This entire game is made out of scratch cats, out of this scratch cat right here. So if we click play, we got the scratch head and we got this. Everything here is drawn with scratch cats. And yeah, we did it. Like and subscribe if you want to play the game. Link will be in the description. I don't know why you would want to play this, but sure. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Make sure to comment down below what you'd like to see. And yeah, peace out.